resolved by you getting involved, you have to verify and clarify. And تصيبوا قوما بجهالة, because you might accuse someone out of ignorance. What is ignorance here? Ignorance means that you don't know the information fully. You could have misinterpreted what you heard from the person. And especially in our time on social media, everyone is so quick to write and judge things, man. Why? Just because they can. You don't know what kind of damage it does. Wallahi, it troubles me a lot when I see a lot of people, they just quickly and immediately go to the comment section to write something. Just be careful what you're going to write. And the shaitan gets to them, they get too proud to delete it after that. And Allah says in the Quran, مَا يَلْفِظُ مِنْ قَوْلٍ إِلَّا لَدَيْهِ رَقِيبٌ عَتِيدٌ. Not a single word does he utter, except that there are two angels. One is ever so watching, one is ever so witnessing, writing everything that you're doing. So be careful, brothers and sisters, don't lose your hereafter for a few words driven by ego and motives.